Code in different pairs. First, we create a segmentic like this. From here, we can see two different pairs and the two resistors between these two different pairs. And we want here equivalence here, here equivalence and here equivalence and the total equivalence. That's our requirement. Okay. After that, we just update. Keep doing, and then we close. Now we get it. Okay. We finish this. We just place these two components any shape, just like this. For example, I just place them like this. Okay. And I placed here over here. Okay. I do it. Maybe this one should be 12. Okay. This one, 14. Okay. We just place like here. And then we set the rule. In the forward part, I set some rules, but now I need to delete them. Delete rule and delete rule. And we click OK. Now, this is the basic part, right? Then we start to design rules for this, for the different pairs that will be used. Okay? Because we require each different pairs, each two lines. For example, this line equals, this line equals. That is what we need to set. So we get matched length. We create a new rule, and then here we get this different pair class or different pair class, and we set this value into 4, and we choose this one. Okay, this is our different pairs, right? So then we need to create Xsignals. Here we get this. Now we just design Xsignals, create Xsignals. We select this one, and select this two, and select this one. And then we analyze, we get the result. Here you see we get this two. We click OK. Now click this two because I create it before. I created something before, so I need to delete them first. And I do it again because some reasons in the morning I use this project, so I need to delete it first. And now I do it again. Okay. Xsignals, create Xsignals, select one, select all of these two, and then select this one, and we analyze, we get the results. We click OK. Now we get these two, right? And we need to make some things to make it's not so good, not equivalence. So we start. We set this rule, right? And we still need to set another rule for Xsignals. In the morning, I told you that we may use. We need to first we add the rule first. The rule here. We name it Xsignal, Xsignal, and we select Xsignal class or Xsignal, and we set this. Oh. In the morning, I said we use group match lenses, right? But now I need to correct it. We should we should choose this one within differential pair length, and this one we set it as COMMON, comma. Now we get only these two rule, right? So for this one, it's for Xsignals. This one is for different pairs, and we don't need to disable anyone. And we click OK. Now we just try to do root alternative differential length routing, right? We just do this. Not so great. Do it again. And we do the next part. The next part here. Okay, we get this two, right? Now, from here, we first select here, differential operator or differential. We from see this two different lengths, this two different lengths, right? So now we need to do the length turning. First, we do root alternative length turning. We do this one, and we finish for this one, right? And we find something not correct. Okay, now we do for the next one. Here we finish this part. We check it first. This one we finish. You see, those two equal lengths, right? And we go back to see our X signals. They are not finished yet. So we go back to our differential operator to see the second one. This one. We do the length turning again. So from this we can see this might be the shorter one. We do it. Okay, we finish this length turning. We check. Also similar, right? Now we finish. We go back to our X signals. We check it. You see these two equal lengths, no wrong mark. So which means in fact we don't need to disable the X signal rules. And by the way, in our rules of X signal in differential pairs, we need to choose this within differential pair length. Okay, that's all of this part.